In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Transport Fever 2 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more content like this. Once you have done that, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So please stick to the end. The next step is to search up the Steam website. Go to there and don't waste too much time over here because we are not going to buy it at this website. Quickly search up Transport Fever 2, and once you have found it, select it and scroll a little bit down. Then you will find out that this game is €39.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is to search up the same game, Transport Fever 2, and once you have done that, we need to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version with this text marked green, so it can be activated in your country. Make sure this is green, this is very important. And once you have found one, then select it. After that, you will see that we already can buy this game for just €16.79 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now the next step is of course purchase this game, and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.